For this first exercise, we're going to use the G chord and the C chord. They're both simplified versions using one finger. You can see the diagrams in the picture of both the chords, the G chord and the C chord. And at the bottom, you can see how they are written out on sheet music. Okay, now let's make the chords. The first chord we're going to make is the G chord. We're going to put our first finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So we play the 3rd string, 2nd string, and 1st string. The 3rd string, 2nd string, and 1st string. We don't play the other 3 strings, the lowest strings, the 6th, 5th, and 4th string. For the second chord, we're going to use a 1-finger C chord. We're going to put our first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. We're going to play the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st string. The 6th, 5th, and 4th we are not going to play. So it's the 3rd, 2nd, and the 1st string. I'm going to play this one on my own. Just have a listen, and after that we can play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord. We're going to stay on the G chord. G chord. Now get ready for the C chord. C chord. Stay on the C chord. C chord. And back to the G chord. Okay, let's all do it together. Let's get ready for the countdown. We're going to count to 4 and then we start. 2, 3, 4. G chord. Okay, we're going to stay on the G chord. G chord. Now get ready for the C chord. C chord. Okay, C chord again. C chord. Okay, back to the G chord. G chord. Okay, here we go. G chord. Okay, now get ready for the C chord. All right. C chord, back to the G chord, G chord. Okay, you're on your own. This next exercise is exactly like the first. The only difference is we're going to add one more strum. So you strum on the first beat and you strum on the 3rd beat. Okay, I'm going to play this one on my own, so just listen. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4. G chord, G chord, G chord, G chord, C chord, C chord, C chord, C chord. Okay, get ready. And you play 2 this time. 2, 3, 4. G chord, G chord, G chord, G chord, C chord, C chord, C chord, C chord.